Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to grow microgreens at home. Microgreens are young vegetable greens that are packed with nutrients and flavor. They are easy and inexpensive to grow indoors, and can be ready to harvest in as little as 2 weeks. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to get started. The first step in growing microgreens is to choose a growing container. You can use a variety of containers, including plastic trays, seedling trays, or even old salad containers. Just make sure your container is clean and has drainage holes to prevent water from pooling. Next, you'll need to select your microgreen seeds. You can find these at most garden centers or online. Be sure to choose seeds that are high quality, organic, and appropriate for indoor growing. Some popular microgreen seed options include arugula, kale, mustard greens, and radishes. To grow microgreens, you'll need soil, or a soil-light growing medium, such as coconut coir or vermiculite. Fill your container to within ½ inch of the top, and level the surface. Then, moisten the soil with water until it feels damp but not soaked. Now it's time to plant your seeds. Sprinkle your seeds evenly over the soil or use a seed spreader to ensure even distribution. Then, lightly press the seeds into the soil so they make contact with the moisture. Cover your seeds with a thin layer of soil or vermiculite. Then, water your seeds using a spray bottle or watering can, being careful not to wash them away. Cover your container with plastic wrap or a lid to create a greenhouse effect. This helps the seeds to germinate more quickly and with less watering. Over the next few days, your seeds will begin to sprout. Once the microgreens begin to grow, remove the plastic wrap or lid, and move the container to a sunny location. Be sure to water your microgreens daily, and avoid getting the leaves wet. In just a week or two, your microgreens will be ready to harvest. Congratulations, you now know how to grow microgreens at home. Enjoy the benefits of fresh, nutrient-packed greens in your meals. Thanks for watching.